Hello, in front of me I've got PulsaR X3. In this video I'll show you how to change mouse mapping. To change buttons mapping on PulsaR X3, let's go to PulsaR App and select Customize. Here you can adjust left click, right click, wheel click, DPI, forward and backward. Select button you would like to remap and select new function. Here is the full list of functions: Xclick, scroll, multimedia, shortcuts, DPI, disable, keyboard, profile, or even macro. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.